welcome to my new video on facets of information literacy. This e-content will introduce you different facets of information literacy such as its meaning, significance, fundamental models and standards of information literacy which are internationally accepted world over. Then different types of literacies in accordance with the information literacy followed by distinct information literacy programs and the practices that can be initiated by different states in India for better promotion of information literacy output. And finally, it explores on the skills of information literacy which needs to be acquired by the academicians like the teachers, researchers, and the students, which is beneficial for their better knowledge exploration process. While looking towards the different facets of information literacy, you may have distinct and basic questions in mind about the information literacy, like what is information literacy? Why information literacy is significant? What are the basic models and standards of information literacy? Is the information literacy being a bunch of diverse literacies or not? How the programs of information literacy explores knowledge, and how the skills and competencies of information literacy are important for the academicians to strengthen their academic and research pursuits, etc. I hope after watching this video, you will be in a position to get the answers of all these questions. Now, let us know what information literacy is in real sense. If we can look to the term information literacy, it is seen that it has the combination of the two words, that is, information and literacy. Information is the word derived from the Latin word informatio, meaning concept or idea, and literacy or literate is the word taken from the Latin word literatus, meaning learned or lettered. That is, in simple way, it is nothing but knowing or literate all about the information science or its processes. Further, it is commonly written as IL. This word was first discussed in the USA in the year 1974 by Paul Zurkowski, the president of Information Industry Association, in response to the rapidly increasing amount of information and the complexities of doing search. So, basically, IL is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. Different organizations, institutions, and the individuals defines IL in different ways. At the outset, it is all about the fractionalization of information and gaining knowledge from it. After knowing the meaning of information literacy, let us turn towards the significant characteristics of information literacy. Information literacy is one of the basic skills of the 21st century, so it is needed and hence significant to all the users. It is the central theme for the knowledge management, ranging from creation or design of the information to the use of information or knowledge. So, information literacy forms the basis for lifelong learning, and it is common to all disciplines, to all learning environments, and to all levels of education. Hence, information literacy comprises those contents of information science that are needed by everyone in their everyday life, may it be on the job and or studying at school or university. And the last futuristic characteristics is that it has ability or skill towards problem solving mechanism. After understanding the meaning and characteristics of information literacy, let us have a quick review on different basic models and standards of information literacy used globally, which is applicable for information search process, that is ISP. The fundamental models of IL are Kahaltu information seeking model that was developed in the year 1993, Then Bruce's Seven Faces in the year 1997. In the year 1998, Eisenberg and Berkowitz developed a model named Big Six model. Then SCONUL, that is Society of College, National and University Libraries, developed a basic and most popular ISP model in the year 1999 called as Seven Pillar or Seven Faces model. Then Empowering Eight model in the year 2004, Papas Tepe Pathways to Knowledge model, followed by Luciano model, and lastly Anderson and Johnston model that was developed in the year 2016, etc. The well-known standards of information literacy includes ACRL, that is Association of College and Research Libraries, then International Society for Technology in Education, that is ISTE, then ANZIIL, that is Australian and New Zealand Institute of Information Literacy, then AASL, that is American Association of School Librarians, then AECT, that is Association for Educational Communications and Technology, followed by OSLA, that is Ontario School Library Association, and International Federation and Library Association, that is IFLA. Thus, these are the well-known organizations and individuals developed standards and models of IL for the benefit of all the stakeholders of the higher education. Now, observe the figure displayed on the screen, which explores that information literacy is not a single entity but is a bunch of diverse literacies in line with its essential types such as media literacy, library literacy, e-information literacy, research literacy, health information literacy, language literacy, financial literacy, mathematical literacy, scientific literacy, legal literacy, publishing literacy, resource literacy, and ICT or digital literacy. Now we will move towards the basic practices and programs of information literacy undertaken in India, which are useful to explore knowledge for fruitful development towards an information literate person. Firstly, general IL practices that includes frequently conducting of workshops, seminars, symposia, etc. at colleges, universities, institutions on information, then information product, followed by knowledge management and information services, etc. Then development and hosting of tutorials on above these keywords, titles, and allied areas. Information literacy programs in India includes number one, arrangement of literacy missions like Sakshar Bharat Mission, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA, and National Literacy Mission, etc. Number two, formation of kendras, mandals, projects, and activities like Gram Shiksha Mohim, in other words, village education campaign, farmers training and functional literacy project, in short, FTFLP, Charcha Mandals, Mahila Mandals, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, Shramik Vidyapit, Nehru Yuvak Kendra, and District Primary Education Program, that is DPEP, etc. Number three is Tara Akshar, useful for Hindi literature and portal of Government of India. Number four is establishment of rural primary and secondary education through Navodaya Vidyalayas and Kendriya Vidyalayas, etc. Then number five is establishment of higher educational institutions like UGC, that is University Grants Commission, IIT, that is Indian Institute of Technology, IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management, DRTC, that is Documentation Research and Training Center, InflibNet, that is Information and Library Network, and NIIT, National Institute of Information Technology for higher education, research and extension tasks. Number six will be policy implementation through different channels like Right to Information Act, NKC, that is National Knowledge Commission by National Knowledge Network, then cyber laws, etc. That all are meaningful for data validation, data or information use and its security. Number seven is foundation of Village Knowledge Center, VKC, then public information kiosk, that is PIKs, etc. at different areas for sharing of knowledge. Number 8 is development of networks like EARNet, which stands for Educational Research Network, EduSat, that is Educational Satellite, Vidyavahini, and NODLINET, that is National Open and Distance Learners Library and Information Network, etc. All are meant for online digital services. And lastly, celebration of World Literacy Day, that is WLD, on 2nd December every year. Apart from that, different states in India started meaningful awareness project in electronic mode, not only as a part of literacy mission but also a scope towards e-government initiatives of India, such as UA.com by Karnataka state, then Lokvani by Uttar Pradesh state, Varna Wired Village project by MKCL, that is Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited in Maharashtra state, then Gyandut, an intranet based digital library program by Madhya Pradesh government, followed by Akshay e-literacy program and Friends model, which stands for fast, reliable, instant, effective network for distribution of services and initiatives by Kerala state, and lastly eChaupal, that was running at all states of India. Above all initiatives are directed towards the dream project of India, that is Digital India initiatives, and the very output of it is aware and use of information to everyone. Very recently, Government of India announced a new literacy mission entitled as National Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Mission, which aims for implementation of one nation, one digital platform, one class, and one channel under one roof, going to be planned for next 5 year period from 2020 to 2025. Last but not the least, it is necessary to know, understand, and acquire different skills and competencies of information literacy by the academician useful for their further academic, teaching, and research assignments, such as digital skills or digital literacy, that includes knowledge and use of computer, internet, mobile, and its allied ICT technologies. Number two is resource literacy skill, which is useful to know various information sources and resources of print and digital origins, basics of research design, research methods, analysis and interpretation of data, findings and recommendation, and application of research metrics, etc., are the part of research skills. Then, publishing skills, it includes publication techniques, modes of publication, and publication ethics, etc. Information about library collection, services, facilities, and rules, regulations, etc. are rest with library literacy skills. To know different search strategies, methods to retrieve information from the bundle of resources, for that search skills are essential. Then evaluation skills are essential to know validation and authentication of information or data. And lastly, social networking skills includes making use of Web 2.0 or Web 3.0 tools like blogs, chatting, and use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. Thus, all these skills of IL supports for building of new knowledge skills. Hence, after knowing all these IL skills, academicians may possess following essential life skills like cognitive skill, ethical information usage skill, learning skill, organizational skill, pedagogical skill, and technical skill, etc. That all directs to become information literate or information literate person who moves not only towards self education but also towards the lifelong learning education in this complex disruptive world. So, to summarize, after knowing the different facets of information literacy, you are able to recognize the need for information, able to locate and find the desired information, then compatible use of the necessary ICT tools and other technologies, able to do search effectively either through simple search or advanced search options, able to compare or contrast information from two or more sources, then think critically to synthesize and assimilate the information, able to communicate information effectively, then understand and applies ethical principles and evaluate information, and finally able to use library resources effectively and determine the usefulness of a particular information source.
The output of all is to develop an information literate person who has the core skills and competencies of information literacy against the problematic situation to manage whenever arise in his or her lifetime. These are the list of references I have browsed and consulted for the creation of this e-content module.
Hope you enjoyed this video and satisfied with the positive answers gained through this e-content video for the distinct and the basic questions about information literacy which is asked at the beginning of this e-content video. Thank you and wait for my new video.